everyone, so I would say good morning, apart from the fact that it's not morning anymore, and also I forgot to end my vlog again last night. I don't know why, but like when it comes to the evening, I just completely forget about my vlog, and I think it's just because we all sit down and chat and everything, and then obviously I'm not gonna like film like all of our chats or anything, and then I just forget because like literally when I'm tired, that's it. I just pass out. Like I was talking to Anastasia, we were having a full-on conversation, but I was so tired I literally just fell asleep, and then I just went Jazz, and I literally woke up and like, crapped myself. But yeah, we woke up moderately early. It was about 9 o'clock when we woke up, but we'd just been filming all morning, and then the parents went to the supermarket to get some more food for dinner, so we're coming down for dinner now. And then that's when I realised that like I hadn't vlogged, because if you've seen Molly's vlog you will have seen that I literally just said about that I hadn't vlogged all day. But yeah, so they've made dinner and it looks really nice. I will show you. Hi Bethan! Hi. I love the camera. I can't get over that video. I feel the drinks.
More like, sorry, the pudding stuff. Oh, shall I put it on when you want more?
Yes, please. Can I have Diet Coke?
Did you know I've never had pot noodles?
What?
The only time I've had it is when I've tried like a tiny bit of yours.
Me and Anastasia were feeding each other a pot noodle last night. Go on, get in. Go on. You can do it.
No, Shank was on it. No. Oh wow. That's a surprise. So there was a big
disappointed. So we've now had dinner, as you'll have seen. It was very, very, very nice. It was very French, because obviously it was like cheese, bread, things like that. I'm zooming myself in. Oh! I'm not doing myself in. There we are. We're getting ready to film a video for Hannah's channel. Hannah, can I say what we're filming or not? Yeah. We're filming like this. I don't know what she's going to title it, but we're basically, one of us goes into the room with her, we swap phones, we go through the camera roll, pick a photo, and then we have to give it back to the person, and then they have to explain that photo basically. So yeah, Molly's over here just snacking on some crisps.
I look so weird just sitting in a corner with a
guys, right? Molly has like purpley blue eyeshadow on, and it looks so nice. I wish I could pull off like them colours.
Are you joking me?
No, because I can't.
Are you joking me?
But it goes to your jumper as well. Because your jumper is like kind of like
bluey grey.
Bluey, yeah. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. And oh my god, yeah, it just really hurt. And then after we've finished filming and everything, we're off out shopping again. We're off to Sephora.
Oh my god, no way.
And then we're going sightseeing again. Where are we going? Into.
We're going to the Louvre. We're going inside the Louvre.
Because I can't say it because I don't know.
Notre Dame.
Notre Dame.
We're going to Lockbridge.
The lock. Can we put a lock on it, please?
We're going to Lockbridge and then we're going to see the Eiffel Tower and when it's all lit up. That's what we're doing tonight.
Buzzing.
Okay, hello. I have absolutely zero idea as to whose G7X I've picked up, so I hope you enjoyed watching this back. Thanks. Bye. Hope you enjoy the eyeshadow. I said this on the other camera. I think this might be Sophie's, I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's Jasmine's, I don't know. Maybe it's not, I don't know. I'm getting really stressed out. You need copyright, aren't you?
Not for 5 seconds. Don't fall asleep. Eve is wearing my jumper
and my new coat.
And her new coat. It's not even my jumper.
My whole outfit's new apart from my shoes actually. Love it. Please, I'll make sure she does. I think all of I got them all doing it.
They're all dabbing in French.
Okay, ready? It did. My hand went like. Stop it!
I like the dabbing bit best.
And like Hare got the yoga. And I came in like and I came in like it started and like oh.
You enjoyed Paris, Mum?
Yes, it's very nice. And like I was the big tower.
If I personally was naming the office, I wouldn't call it a tower.
Don't do any different dance move if every single thing you do this and then high five and then off in different sections. But it'll look good because it's like we'll like we'll run off. Like we should go like together like that and then we'll come off with the
Oh, don't stand in my way. That's you. Wetly. Get my look out my bag. There's a boat coming down as well. Culture.
Yeah, what exactly is not?
So I fit in well.
You do?
This is me, I'm second.
Rubbish.
Work it. So we're now at Notre Dame.
No, we're not. We're at the House of Kate. We are at Notre Dame right now.
Bitch, please. And it's so nice. Like, it just beats like all England churches, like completely. Like the church where I live is like nothing compared to this. But yeah, we've been taking loads of photos and everything. As you will, and then like Snapchat, I haven't really been able to use because like I don't have internet when I'm out of the house.
Ah,
So,
you fucked
yeah.
me in the head. No, don't tell my face.
We've got matching lipstick on because they'll be copying me. Okay, thumbnail. Wait, lift it up a bit so we've got the church. No, lift it up a bit.
Mary, Mary, laugh in the bushes.
Do you have to trick them?
Your answers to my questions are brilliant.
Oh my god, you have birds on your hand.
So cute!
Oh my god, you have a bird on your hand.
Just put your phone down.
Be the bird.
Oh, that's so cute.
So if you're having like proper picture taken.
Oh my god.
I videoed it.
Cool.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Squawk, squawk.
You'll never guess what happened.
Have you got a t-shirt?
I have.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we need to go now, guys.
Should we get a lot for all of us? BB?
Yeah, we could just put BB on it.
Should we get a lot for all?
You what? So we're at the lock bridge. Apparently it's not the lock bridge anymore because it's no longer here. Like they had to take like all the locks off and something about the lock bridge collapsing or something. But people have started like doing it on this like square thing, and it's really nice and it's really pretty. And there's loads of different locks. And then like reading some of them as well is like really cute because obviously they've got like messages from like when people have come here with their boyfriends and things. So yeah, that's basically what we're now. Do you think the lock bridge is pretty, Mum? Apart from it's not a bridge.
No, it's more like a square now.
It's a square
isn't it?
now.
But it's very nice.
Yeah, but there's another one. What happened?
Well, we didn't come into this bit yesterday.
We're now in some place which I don't know what it's called. It's not focused. Never focuses on me. Clearly not important in this. Everybody else is behind. somewhere.
We're fed up of waiting.
Bethan is fed up of waiting.
No idea how.
I know, I'll get you some water.
Did you say help me?
No. Did you not remember?
Bethan's Caitlin. Oh, I thought I missed a step then. Bethan is Caitlin's sister.
Hello.
It's clearly the better one. Yeah. Ox. So we're now in a restaurant and we've just all ordered food. What did you get, Anastasia?
I got cheeseburger.
I got bacon burger. Sophie, what did you get?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Beef bourguignon. It's my favourite.
Caitlin, what did you get?
Cheeseburger.
Did you not get a bacon burger? What did you get?
I got penne and a side of fries and a Diet Coke. I got a cheeseburger as well.
Yeah, so we all basically went for British food, really. But yeah, I don't know how long the wait is going to be. But I'm just waiting. Same, because I'm absolutely starving. I keep getting cramp in my arm, like this bit here, and it's so painful. It's like when I bend my arm like this, I get the cramp. When it's out, it's not so bad, but it does still hurt. So yeah. Yeah.
I totally forgot. You know,
All three of these people just said they've never seen
I've seen one update because I keep looking at the Phip's going to need to stop that. I need to look at the next. So basically, we're at this really cute dinner right now and we're just waiting. I know, I never thought. This is Jasmine.
Do you have a vlogging channel though, don't you?
Yeah.
So we use it.
And then also
Yeah, I just know what she's doing. We're just waiting for dinner now. I know. And yeah, I'll give you an update when our dinner's come.
like in the bun. It's me.
Hi guys, so a little update. We have just finished our dinner. It was very nice. Anastasia's got salmonella. I might have salmonella. Molly might have salmonella. We're going to check at 3 AM. To knock on the door. Yeah, we've timed ourselves because it takes like 8 hours for your food to process. So like, okay, it's about 3 AM, so we're going to check ourselves at 3 AM.
Yeah, I'm stacking on chips.
Maybe all.
No, I'm stacking on chips because I'm hungry.
We didn't I really need a wee.
It's like
cold now. Yeah.
pink. So I don't want to eat it.
Okay, slight issue, I don't know how to do mouth.
Yeah, my name is Olive.
Oh my god, I've never laughed so hard at this video.
Can you make it honey?
Oh my god, Jane.
I heard so good.
I've downloaded it off TikTok and then let's see.
It's happening. And we're back to normal. Yes, that's basically it. We're going to go. I'm trying to vlog.
I think you should make a vlogging channel like
Yeah,
this is so boring.
because you're not letting me talk.
Whose camera's that?
I'm saving you. It's Sophie's laugh.
Yeah, we're going to go see the Eiffel Tower tonight, which I'm really excited about. We went to see it yesterday, but we're going to go... I'm Molly's vlog. We're going to go see it tonight when it's at the door because it's like really dark outside now. I don't know if you can see that.
My mum and Jazz looks like our dad. So then we were saying like, Jazz actually looks like our mum. Get all with the powers.
That's so weird. At the time we're filming, that it's gone up 200.
Jazz, it's just when you raise your eye.
I'm not going.
Actually, I'm going to zoom in on a decision.
Oh no, I don't know how you do it.
I do. It's an app though.
Is it now?
Yeah. So we've now finished up at the meal and we're going to go to the Eiffel Tower because obviously you saw that we went to it the other day, but like we want to see it on a night because they light it up sometimes. So yeah, but we've got like a half an hour walk to that, so that's going to be fun. It's a lot colder now than it was before, but you know, don't know what else we're going to be doing after, but yeah.
I would love to go to it. Would you? I kind of wish I had now that we're like here. I know if there's a restaurant on top, I can only imagine the price it is. But it's like going up the Shard. Me and Hannah are going to go to Shard Road. When you go up the Shard, can you come tell me when you're there?
It's actually pretty amazing, isn't it, standing here looking at it? It definitely looks better in the dark.
So we're currently at the Eiffel Tower. We were literally like right up to it, and I think that's like the closest you can actually get to it without being inside it. And it's just like so surreal how doing just like a small little thing in my bedroom has managed to pay for like this trip, and for me to be able to do such amazing opportunities with friends that I've met through doing what I do in my bedroom. It's really weird and so surreal, but it's so nice. It just makes me want to cry.
It makes me want to cry as well.
It's so pretty. Definitely 100% better on a night. Like the whole atmosphere and everything is just so nice. Like I love it, honestly. It's so nice.
Eve, you're gonna have to send me this boomerang. Right?
Sur le quai, mais même pas vu. Droit devant, là, avant de
So we've now got back, and oh my god, look at my lipstick. But that doesn't really matter because I'll be taking my makeup off soon anyway. So let's just ignore this. But yeah, we're back now. Obviously, we saw the Eiffel Tower and everything. We took lots of photos and things. I'll maybe insert them. I don't know if they will be inserted or not, because it does kind of get like quite hard when there's been so many what have you. But yeah, we're just gonna chill and stuff. But we're off to Disney tomorrow, so I'm so excited. And we've actually got so much done today. Like, we got up about 9-10ish, didn't we? And then we did loads of filming. We filmed about 7 videos.
We were going to waste the whole day, but I've done so much.
And then we set off at 2:30 to go out, and we've seen everything basically again. Yeah. So, and we took obviously loads of photos and everything. So yeah, we've had a really good day, and I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night and stuff. But hopefully I will end this vlog, because I haven't ended any of the other ones. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So guys, we're pretty much going to bed now. I'm gonna take my makeup off in a minute. But we've got a big day tomorrow because of Disney. And I'm so excited. The Disney vlog should hopefully be really, really good. I need to charge my watch vlog. Probably. But yeah, so I'm gonna fully charge my camera overnight so I've got enough like storage. What am I on? So I've got enough battery, etc, etc, etc. And I am also going to import all the clips from my vlogging camera, so I do have enough storage on my camera for tomorrow. But yeah, really excited. Everybody's getting a little bit loud. But yeah, we're off to bed now. So yeah, bye guys.